What is a Kahoot Game Pin?
Hello there, learners and educators alike. Today we're going to delve into the world of interactive learning with a tool that many of you might be familiar with, Kahoot. We'll specifically talk about a crucial component of this platform, the Kahoot Game Pin.
What is Kahoot?
Firstly, let's briefly discuss what Kahoot is. Kahoot is an educational technology platform that allows users to create, share, and play learning games or quizzes. This game-based learning platform provides a fun and interactive way for learners to engage with their subjects, but to join a game, you'll need a special identifier. This is where the Kahoot Game Pin comes into play.
What is a Kahoot Game Pin?
The Kahoot Game Pin is a unique, temporary code that you use to join a game or quiz in Kahoot. Each game session has its own unique pin, which ensures that only those who know this pin can join the game. It's like a password to an exciting world of learning. When a host, a teacher, or a student starts a game pin is automatically generated. Participants can then use this pin to enter the game on their devices.
How to use a Kahoot Game Pin?
Using a Kahoot Game Pin is quite simple. 1. Firstly, the host starts a game on Kahoot, and a unique game pin is displayed on the host screen. 2. Participants go to the Kahoot website or app on their devices and click on the Enter Pin or Play button. 3. They then enter the displayed pin in the field and click Enter. 4. Finally, they provide a nickname to use during the game, and they're in. Remember, the pin changes for each new game, ensuring a secure and unique game environment each time. So there you have it. That's all about the Kahoot Game Pin. Whether you're a teacher, a student, or just someone looking for a fun and interactive learning experience, understanding how to use a Kahoot Game Pin is your first step to joining a game. So next time you're ready to learn with Kahoot, remember the game pin is your key. Happy learning, everyone!